Operating a vehicle while intoxicated in a manner in which a person is in danger. So I want to talk a little bit about OVWI as a Class A misdemeanor. In order to get to a Class A misdemeanor, we look at a couple of things. Most importantly, for an OVWI, not including some of the breath tickets or the blood draws or anything like that, just simple OVWI. Now, other states might call it a DUI or something to that effect. But since we're here in Indiana, I want to talk a little bit about OVWI. So OVWI can become an A misdemeanor if the state can prove that somebody operated a vehicle while intoxicated in a manner in which a person was endangered. The endangerment component is what raises a normal DUI or OVWI to an A misdemeanor. An A misdemeanor is punishable by a jail sentence up to 1 year and a fine up to $5,000. You could also, the minimums would be $0 fine and 0 days in jail. Now, when the prosecutor is trying to prove endangerment, to get to that A misdemeanor, they're looking at specific driving behaviors. Is this person weaving in and out of traffic? Are they switching lanes without using a turn signal? They're looking essentially at driving and the infraction as to why they got pulled over in the first place. So things that aren't endangerment or driving without headlights if it's during the day, for example. If there's a taillight out during the day, that likely will not get you to endangerment. If you're weaving through 5 lanes of traffic while speeding, that is going to rise to the level of endangerment. It's very important to understand, at least in Indiana, under 935-2, you can still be convicted of OVWI endangerment without a number. In other words, you could be .06 and still get convicted of operating a vehicle while intoxicated or operating a vehicle while intoxicated in a manner in which a person is endangered. Some of the things they're looking for, obviously, red and glossy eyes, driving behavior, your interactions with police. Are you fumbling around, not able to get your ID out of your wallet? Some of the things that the officers are looking for are there. So it's very important, if you find yourself or anyone you know charged with an OVWI, give us a call. 317-632-3642. Remember, always plead the fifth.